Deep learning is everywhere. This branch of artificial intelligence curates your social media and serves your Google search results. Soon, deep learning could also check your vitals or set your thermostat. MIT researchers have developed a system that could bring deep learning neural networks to new and much smaller places, like the tiny computer chips in wearable medical devices, household appliances, and the 250 billion other objects that constitute the Internet of Things (IoT). The system, called MCUNet, designs compact neural networks that deliver unprecedented speed and accuracy for deep learning on IoT devices despite limited memory and processing power. The technology could facilitate the expansion of the IoT universe while saving energy and improving data security. The IoT was born in the early 1980s. Grad students at Carnegie Mellon University connected a Cola machine to the internet. The group's motivation was simple: laziness. They wanted to use their computers to confirm the machine was stocked before trekking from their office to make a purchase. It was the world's first internet connected appliance. Since that Coke machine, everyday objects have become increasingly networked into the growing IoT. That includes everything from wearable heart monitors to smart fridges that tell you when you are low on milk. IoT devices often run on microcontrollers, simple computer chips with no operating system, minimal processing power, and less than 1/1000th of the memory of a typical smartphone. So, pattern recognition tasks like deep learning are difficult to run locally on IoT devices. For complex analysis, IoT collected data is often sent to the cloud, making it vulnerable to hacking. With MCUNet, the research group co-designed two components needed for tiny deep learning, the operation of neural networks on microcontrollers. One component is Tiny Engine, an inference engine that directs resource management akin to an operating system. Tiny Engine is optimized to run a particular neural network structure, which is selected by MCUNet's other component, Tiny NAS, a neural architecture search algorithm. MCUNet could bring intelligent computer vision capabilities to even the simplest kitchen appliances, or enable more intelligent motion sensors. MCUNet could also make IoT devices more secure. Analyzing data locally reduces the risk of personal information being stolen, including personal health data. The research team envisions smartwatches with MCUNet that don't just sense users' heartbeat, blood pressure, and oxygen levels, but also analyze and help them understand that information. MCUNet could also bring deep learning to IoT devices in vehicles and rural areas with limited internet access.